Yeah.
What's up, guys? So I'm here with my friend Hash. What's up, bro?
What's up, Wagwan?
Well, go ahead.
Yeah.
Everything good?
All good with them, man.
Okay, bro. So I want you to just quickly, how is it like being an international student in Canada?
First of all, it's so freaking cold in here. So if you wanna come in here, you better be ready for this extreme weather. Do you hear that? So this is gonna happen to you, but it's a lot of fun. Understandable people are here. Good colleges, high education system. So that's the good point.
Okay,
about
where are
it.
you from?
There's a lot of fun. I'm from Palestine, Israel, whatever you wanna call it, yeah, man. But yeah, there's a lot of fun here. Multicultural place. You can do whatever you want. It's your choices. Lots of opportunities. You can ask them more about that. So yeah, it's just the land of opportunities.
So quick question though, coming here as a newbie, as a first timer.
Yeah.
What is it that you think that would stand out more? What should they be most prepared for?
So in Canada in general or in GP?
In Canada in general, bro. Yeah.
So coming here, you gotta be understanding. So sometimes when we come from other cultures, we stick into one culture. We don't want to hear anybody else. We don't want to know whatever is going on. So you gotta be open-minded, accept others, and just live with it. Just live like anyone else here. So it's more like acceptance of other cultures and be ready for a lot of challenges, man.
Okay, so is it something that you would encourage anyone to do?
Absolutely. There's you should be more social. You should have a social life. Although in a Grand Prairie it's a little bit hard, but you should work on it. Because other than that, you're alone here. You're not gonna know what you're gonna do next. So you should be very welcoming.
Okay, a final question, bro. What do you know about Jamaica?
Oh man, Jamaica. I've never been to Jamaica, but like 90% of my friends in Canada are Jamaican. Shout out to Chelly and Alex Demar, bro. So yeah, I freaking love Jamaica, man, and I'm trying to learn the slangs there.
Oh
so.
Man, say something in Jamaican, bro.
So so yeah, I can go. Yo, Wagwan, me no have class tomorrow, yeah, man. So